The name of the game is income in retirement, not necessarily a lump sum of a certain amount of dollars. Income for life that you cannot outlive. And that is becoming more and more of a topic these days. It's about how much income can you generate from those retirement savings, safely protect a big portion of it or a chunk of it. And then I can help people tactically manage the rest of it, where it is monitored often, quarterly, worst case. And we're going to make sure that we keep on track to the plan. The Buckeye Advisor believes that the fixed indexed annuity can be one prong in a 2 or 3 prong strategy. Because look, if you can do a fixed indexed annuity and you take 30 or 40% or 50% of your retirement savings and you say, look, I'm not going to lose principal. I'm not going to lose on this portion of my retirement income. Effectively, you're putting a floor. You're saying, I'm not going to go below this number, but I can also grow the money when the market comes back around, which slowly but surely we think that's going to happen this year as the Fed begins to unwind their rate increases. You're going to experience some market-like gains in that fixed indexed annuity.